Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ferrari 250 GTO, and this is by Hot Wheels from their premium series, and this is from the car culture series, more specifically the vintage racing series. How many they have? Okay. So with that said, I actually saw this entire set, but I didn't want to buy the entire set. I didn't even want to buy anything in the set, to be very honest. But I bought this Ferrari because a lot of people are actually asking me to unbox some Ferraris. So I bought this. Again, Ferrari came back after a long time. So I thought, okay, let's give this one a try. So I bought it. I bought it for MRP. I might sell this. I will, let you guys know if I'm planning to sell this. So because I'm not buying any Ferraris nowadays, whatever I, may not unboxed it. Those are older ones which I bought maybe last year or yeah, most probably last year, not even this year. So with that said, let's unbox this. I did even see a this Stradale, that black with the red one. It looked cool, but again, I think I already have a Stradale, so I didn't buy that. I saw multiple of those castings. So a lot of people are actually asking me about the prices of some castings which I am putting out. I always say the prices in the video. Please watch the video at least till that point. So don't just come and ask it in the comments. I'm not going to respond to that because when days are passing, even I won't remember. That's the whole reason I'm just telling that during the video. So my request is just go ahead and watch the video and until that point, where I'm saying the price. If you really concerned one, your concern is only about the price point, just watch it and maybe just go out of the video. I really don't mind. So it's up to you, but I'm not going to answer to these kind of comments anymore because it's just waste of my time. Even though it feels little bit rude right now, but think about from my perspective. I am putting out videos at least most probably on daily basis, and you guys are expecting me to remember price of some car which I put out maybe a year back or 2 years back or even a month back or a week back, something like that. That is not possible at all. Even if I remember, I'm not going to comment that. Watch the video until that point because I'm doing all these videos for you to see. I started the whole Hot Wheels unboxing because of some of the subscribers asked me to buy Hot Wheels at that point because I didn't even like collecting Hot Wheels. Just because of those people who asked me at that point of time, I did that. Even till now, I'm doing that. So again, I will be selling my Hot Wheels collection, like most of it. I'm just not getting time to segregate those where I'm keeping what and all, but I will be doing that soon. So with that said, so here is the card art. I personally don't like this card art. It looks a bit vintagey, but I mean, I really love the entire card to be in that card instead of just cropping it out and just giving some kind of striping here and there. So anyway, some people might like this. So it's personal preference at this point. I personally don't like this card art. Let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really good. And as usual, even though it is tightly packed, you can see some scratches here. That's metal for you guys. And this casting feels really heavy. Again, it's a premium. It is supposed to be heavy. So it has wiper detailing here, and you can see the hood details here. Everything just painted on. So don't expect anything in acrylic like you do in Majorets or any other brands in this case at this point. So it does have headlight details fully painted here. It has, I think it is supposed to be number plate. It has the Ferrari badge here. You can see the grill details here. These are actually painted on top of it. So it does have some kind of detailing there, which is good. And I personally like the set of rims. It looks really good and matches that particular era in this car. And you can see the fuel filler cap here and the tail light details here. This looks really neat. Okay, let's go to the chassis now. The chassis has a very little bit of detailing to it. The exhaust looks really nice. They chromed it out. but that is plastic piece, that is not a metal piece, so don't put any force there, it might break. This is actually attached to, I think if I'm not wrong, the chassis inside or the interior inside, because this is not actually connected with this chassis at all. You can see the gap clearly here. It has a good interior detailing to it, but again they made it really impossible to see the interior. I'm not sure if you guys can able to see it. If you are able to see it, it's good for you guys. But it looks, casting looks really neat. So I was expecting, there is one casting which they put out, from Ferrari, that actually had acrylic headlights, that too in the main line. I didn't buy that. I don't know if it is this same casting or it's a different one. Just put it in the comments if you want that. So I just want to know. Okay, so for you guys who are not familiar with Hot Wheels, this is a premium. This is a full metal casting, metal body, metal chassis, rubber tires, and plastic rims. This is how the premiums are when it comes to Hot Wheels. So let's rest every detail would be painted, as you can see here. Maybe very few castings which has acrylic headlights or taillights or both. That those are very rare, or very few you would say. Let's weigh this casting now. 51 grams, not bad at all. I can live with it. Okay, let's do a roll test. It does roll really good. I was not expecting that at all. The rear wheel is a little bit wobbly, but still, it rolls really well. Does its job. So let's rate this casting. So it's a solid 10 out of 10. There's nothing to complain here. So I really wish Hot Wheels add some kind of acrylic headlights at least on this price point, instead of just painting everything out. Okay. E- Even on this, what is this one? RLCs and all these things, they are painting everything out. So I'm not expecting here, but it's just a request. But I don't know whether they are going to change it, because people are just going nuts over Hot Wheels. Even though a lot of kids doesn't even know much about Hot Wheels, they are just going crazy for Hot Wheels because they are hyping everything up. So my request for everyone is, look out for other brands like this, more specifically the CCA semi-premium ones. Those are really awesome. We did unbox the CCA premium last week. It's a proper premium, that 1400 rupees range casting. That is absolutely amazing. Okay, so yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.